Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. It's time for some little Easter cards. These are super fun and cute and they're made from triangles. So really easy craft for Easter. We have some printables again that you can check out, or you can make your own templates and have a go at making these super cute cards. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're. So to make things easier and suit your needs, there's the cut and trace option. So this is more of a template to use at home if you're just making one or two of these. As you can see, there's all the extra little pieces for the chicken, the chick, the bunny, and of course the egg. But then there's also for the classroom, if that's more useful, the kind of print, cut and assemble version. So there's lots of eggs to use in multiple ways. You can make 3 mummy chicks in one go. You'll have to colour these in. Some baby chicks in one go. 6 baby chicks. There's 2 bunnies you can make in one go. And I've made some more there. So yeah, so basically there's a whole variety of printables to choose from, and you can pick and choose between just a chicken and just the bunny and basically have a go. So now I'm going to go and assemble the first set. They're really easy to assemble. You cut out your shapes and then use the guidelines for your folding. So I'm going to make one of the bunnies now. You can create your own triangle. Of course, you don't have to use our printables. I've only created those printables to make it easier. If you are making your own triangle, I used 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. So that weighs 15 and that weighs 15. And then you can just draw your own bunny ears. You don't have to use card. Paper is fine too, but I quite like it with card, and I had these pretty colours, so I thought why not. Now you use your guidelines to fold. Now you might find it easier to fold it so that you can see the line, and then we'll just fold it back in a moment. And then we'll do the same here. It just means it's easier for the children to follow if they can see the line. But then you fold it back so it's on the inside, which means you won't be able to see the black outlines on your finished card, which I always think is quite nice. Oh. If you want, you can add a little bit of glue here. Again, it's not strictly speaking necessary, but I quite like it. And to get that down, get the ears. If you want, you can add with a pen some ear details, or you can get the kids to freehand cut out some ears. So this is just a little extra if they want to kind of personalize their rabbits. So I'm just going to have a quick go. I think that's a good idea. And note again, I've put the lines at the back just to kind of give it that neater finish. But again, it doesn't matter too much. It's just a question of preference. Now, because I've used card, card always takes a bit longer to stick than paper. So you might have to be a bit more patient when gluing your features together. Make sure you add enough glue stick to the bottom. Put them at an angle if you wish, you don't have to. And now take your pen and just personalize your rabbit's features. So add a little nose. And some little eyes. and you've got your basic bunny card made. It's really cute. Now, one last thing to do, the Easter eggs. I've done these ahead of time, but I just wanted to show them to you and discuss them with you. Again, you can obviously do them in white. Now, if you do the plain white ones, these are really good for younger children. You could explore shapes such as circles, squares, triangles, and use those shapes, help cut some out beforehand, or stickers if you've got some in the classroom. Stickers would be wonderful, actually. And younger kids can just stick those in. If you're working with older kids, so for example, my kids are 9 and 10, so they find this a little bit more interesting. You can basically create some doodle eggs, or you can write messages such as Happy Easter. And I think they look really great too. I mean, look at that. That looks amazing, doesn't it? And that would make a really nice Easter card. Or you can even combine the two. Kind of have 2 Easter eggs. And just see how you go. And then stand it up, and it makes a really, really cute Easter card or Easter decoration that you can do in the classroom, exploring a triangle. I mean, that's just great, isn't it? Don't forget that we have a chick version, or a mother hen and baby chick version as well, so check that out. But yeah, in the meantime, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye. So just a quick one again. I hope you like these little cards. I think they're super fun and super cute, and I do love how they're made just from triangles.